Yanara Sassini, Airport in Limaye, Mojana Nanum Shegu Naditu Homaye, Edumene was so, say a bay, Piatwaso, Nindian Twasum, Kutu Craninia, Pessamin coming out, Eddie Ain Bremo, the Mamaya Sassi, Hodo, what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I hose, oh my full private jet, oh my no, yes and I hose, oh my full private jet.
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, Bonia, hey, Bonnie Dana Fay, hey. Many me feel he get here, many won't pay. Malaba, he can't find the Bajamin Cabo. When you look on India, Lava, where me Cabo. I promise on my own, I'm over Taya near Shona. Ling off a Mina Sana, Libukuna, no Shona.
Yamaena, Jumanchia Fico May, Cohen Kabila Capito, Zahida Kai, Banda Bumbanchi, Mudena Zwalumchi, Ubangijing Allah Wayma, Jumanchia Fico May, Anna Muhammad Wayma, Jumanchia Fico May, I am Wayma, Jumanchia Fico May.
For other place, Mama Machina, Memo Aquaba, and from Virgin Television, so I go Ghana. I feel money and I feel this year. It's no, Mamma Facunia way, I make conscious of Fisiapa. I feel the said the Nanya Copon, I bomb it, Miako. Now, yet no more since we say, throughout last year in programs, I would do a year, and you are with me boy, Eddie Chia, now more free, now more testing, now more following on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Saa the business ya be mu afi we enso nyakopon insure mo afi so ye ginamu a ye boduma pa dia bo my Ghana ye from me pa kwesi dimanche na the person ye share the na ye be din komo pa e dia fa Ghana ho me fan say when we were away for some days you know near see Ghana the do so pa anti ya ba no na ese etim be di e ho komo na ye ko ye ni no an nsem a ye di ho komo e o Ghana fana baby afebia eti mame fa entia ene abasoboma production team no certain dia etimi hia na yakeka ni mabom na nso etimi about screens no eso abreni na na do pay no se nkomo bi o de na nkomo bi ani wa sense ye to obawie no ensem a efretwe eba ne ka se pa ye sem ye ne ye behwe na yetimi aye dissolution of the 7th parliament na fe yahwe na ya inaugurate 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic of Ghana. Na ehuni apenti no. Incident ne say na unfolding no na I believe say Ghana for say ye nya keen interest e wo issues are fire national development ho and nation building. Eti akoba san Ghana for pi an etimi ejebre ehwe ne ekoso etie ne ekoso an senka ne na nanka we Ghana ni bi se me de bibia anse na fam ho. Eti eno eye positive e Ghana for say ne say yetimi enya interest e won ye koso e wo oman num no e ho e dia pay no enkomo na ye bebo no won so obetimi akan ye ho no adwen ne won ye platforms ahodo ni nyina so Facebook, YouTube na Instagram ni nyina Virgin One TV GH ana fe so no wo down the app ni ye Virgin TV Ghana e no e wo Play Store na so wetimi ahwe ndwumedi ahodo no weti yen so modernghana.com ana fe I Live Radio na Zeno Radio ni nyina eye Virgin FM online ana ebia na dwumedi opeso beso yase na yetimi apem de ko yanimu a eno so simple but what the pa say obetimi afre ana say obet test SMS ana say WhatsApp number we 0246 44 0033 number no so ya na da screen na sinti ohwa 0246 44 0033 and the number ofra you betimi adjust na marketing department no and she bia e wo no so atimi no aye na bibia akoyie ama fe production line ago Ghana se wan kasa be pese ebia be ba se dwumadi we so anase bibi kɔ so on potamu na ho be hia se betimi adwendwen wo sase dwumadi no eye dwumadi a yɛhwɛ na yɛde aboa Ghana mpuntu na yɛde aka nsɛm ɛbɛbɔ ma Ghana ni ne so ɛho ne yɛkɔ so ɔman yi mu etu betimi afrɛ number anase ɔbɛ WhatsApp ɔbɛ text na yɛtimi adi enkomo 0547 28 69 39 0547 28 69 39 0547 28 69 39 and on offer na say your inquiry na person make sponsorship and one sem na person yeka and I pour person my information bia akwanya ewo ho esa once again here from a Papacy Dimanche me name production team ma me ko na fe no me ne Eric Tete en chassis eni nkomo Eric Tete waba show yi so na Virgin Morning na oba show ni so that it meeting nkomo ahwe ne yekoso ewo oman Ghana wo ya assembly member ewo Kumikrom electoral area eno apa West Achim district wo epuye mantem ha na oba show ni ne nkomo ampa wetimi se wasuade nti anope ye be kone akwakodin nkomo ni nyina efa Ghana yen 8th parliament the chaos I believe say they call the chaos now one can say ohun se ne incident ne on fodi chaos and the between your friend and say about the arrival of consensus say you nyina ye begitum emerse we for begitum ni me bitum okwan bi so the case pass ye gitum say yin speaker ene na be the cheerful na ye wi ani ahwe the new direction ayeko Ghana's 8th parliament no you want to say baba is a 7th one no previous ones na say aha no ye be hu bibia e yesonko ni nyina na ye be di hu komo anope wo ago Ghana eso enti eritete e mamu akwaba na fi no yes 2021 no wo message ya de be ma ahwefo a na yakoso ye go enu apombo kode
ye
ase bronya yi mu ni ade nyina ma hye de hu
ye no kware mi se eduma de dos
I no akasa de ama me na
mate eduma de dos
okay
when it ya elections e call enough and e bronya no so na be she mo anti no one she de hu too much because of the terrain na e hu ye nti no na be ka che ahwefo nyina na se ene etifo nyina na se da obi biase enye omo aka ye show yimenye show senke betimi edimu onu production team just mu too much mu hia baso body pa na megidi se me ko nanim no mo bedu project
okay
mo bom ho modern pa na nche Ghana be recognize mo
okay eti afi 2021 me kan political me kan is talking about nation building you know then na ye hwe nimu from your own corner no then ye hwe nimu
imagine that say mama di kan fe nchi aso no kono me mama by that tete
okay
I would so my name electoral area company for obi bi obi ya me chichi na no pay em say Ghana fo akasa
okay
na kasa Ghana fo kasa mo aka no entirely different in cedar since 92
okay
em so hwe ni see ya hwe election akasa na course so nyama be brain course but near me de na kakra na esanso ye me de ene ne si wo parliament emra she bidwafo kan say wo ko elect o speaker of parliament you be da o manimu a obe make sure so be obe manage business of the house
okay
the 8th parliament of the 4th republic of Ghana no na be jitum say Ghana fo ye nya da o say nti ense be break to body be come one by one a be jitum sate ahwefo so be woni ye koso
eti ahwefo na eritete na me ni be din komo pa na yeko ye ni mo sa kwan no eso enti in the next let me say 45 minutes no ye betimi ye din komo afa Ghana ho ye 8th parliament se ne ye di kan aka no na ye be hyase e de afi parliament na nkasa the formation se o hwa ye ni majority ana ye ni minority ye kan NPP caucus ene NDC caucus eti no ye be hwe e ho no ana afi no ye ba be hwe chaos no what that chaos is telling Ghanaians the ordinary Ghanaian na wofi out here TV and out here radio no ne sa ne course no ka kire ne abere kwan wo fa so agitum agi ensem ne me bi tum wankasa wonim ne making asa na ye wi aba be hwe the way forward the one ye beka some more enti no agogana so ni mami twa me ho na me ba na fe ye de nkomo no ato aso
Yanara Sassini, Airport in my eye, Mojana Nanum Shegu, Nadi to my eye. Edumen, it was so, say a pay, Piatra so, Nindian Twassum, go to Cranin, Pessamin coming out, Eddie, Bremo, the Mamaya Sassi, who do what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I hose, oh my full private jet, oh my no, yes and I hose, oh my full private jet.
Yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, Boniya hey, Boni Dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Malaba he can you fende Bajamin Kabo. When you look on India, Lawa, where me Kabo. I promise on my own, I'm over Kaya near Shona. Ling off a Mina Sana, Libukuna no Shona.
Yamaena Zumunci ya fi komai kowane kabila ka fito za a yi da kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai zumunci ya fi komai
Abisha for ya say twa ho akwaba go Ghana Veggie TV so medical platforms natural meti edwam Dimash ana eretete enso wa na ye bedi nkomo pa eti di echi na ye bewie no be say ye besua di together Eric ye sha say na hwe ye to abawie na akoba say ye ni clear majority ana ye ni clear minority kwa bi FN say hang parliament akoba say no ye won wa
anyam wonwa because social media ekoso Ghana brain ya na also say Ghana for ya assign your mentality ana yewo ene na me project ya afi na evidence so say 137 one independent candidate no Ghana you don't pempen so be or say e boy ho abaso ya de pa
Samu
yes because me no e me de adenti na America sa ye me de ne so say Ghana ne high entity and nepa wo maimu ha corruption
okay
na parliament ayenye ho ebe boy
onyi ni say parliament ayenye mum ne ebe ma corruption no be on the rise
maybe in terms of government agenda and any proposals near say be or presented bill or parliament now moon scrutinize any at the end of the day ebe boy because you say you need clear majority and you for now you to declare
okay
say we na majority
I say in America me say a caucus caucus na say
yes it is here the lobbying no
lobby
and the come that is
na lobby also na cover bribery and corruption ba
and then
because say bia ya partners ya cover the obi aba say ye can want the business of the day na say me hwe na me fetch ekutia
what say
because after election of speaker no say some allegations be about mountain so
ebe na come say
bad doses be but you know say okay say ebema corruption aba for my one na
me de I am de because 137 no for now independent no say e do na about one what the end of it me declare the position say bia well I'll go with this side or I'll go with that side but apart from that or you independent when you declare the position say and ne or your MPP near I will say
na what should say every sitting biano all those 137 for the sites no be represented on be presence
and no net
because any parliamentarian biano present at all sittings
one say parliament very interesting this time around
okay
and I believe say media also on play active role
You played that.
Oh, yes, but for now,
you do maybe
I mean in terms of parliament business issues, okay. We won't say media no. Now also be about normal news be ever bound because this time MP on team late just a second.
And I said, what you absent you?
On team yet late in because we list mistake. Now you vote to bill you saw on your material.
Okay.
Of course, into this time.
Now, what about a situation whereby or ye minister or ye member of parliament, no say minister. Now, if you are assigning to duty.
And none that they however. When to this time, I'll say I'm extra careful. Say, oh, deputy be a two kind. Echo transacted deal with Yamagana. Shenipa. That is it. Shenanigans, baby. What I'm going to say, shenanigans.
It's a also a misformation.
Oh, how never parliament are interesting.
Do you use the word interesting?
Yeah, interesting. Because also say, and also at the new face being a by a democracy. What am I going to say? And if I know that, can I mean, be able to do it? Don't say. Now, the catcher said the famous of the constitution, almost modern, but never be on more, almost factor. And none the Nadia will be better, so you. One make it provisions and really the song. That is it. What do we do? Modus operandi bang with good can say, it do some paper so you do ya, then you say you found. One guy because almost now someone died. Say a bit in about 2 or coin. Now, a one say, person no car election was some crack. Can you see 137, 137, 1 independent. Now, look. For now, no be able to make raise allegations near there. And for mine could do baby. Okay. Ghana for Nakasa.
They say, here say, be focus.
Be Juma. For now, don't forget to send me. I'm buying. I'm not buying what's ahead. Sakas and Yankee. Is that most of the people cast a home? I saw the Jay Cassidy and I walk on a maybe abafum. A yabafum. And you say yabafum. That is it. Both NDC and MP. Abafum. And say, no man will say something must kill a man. That is it. Because 137. 137, 1 independent. Now your team yakoto bana ba konya 138. Then the call wrong.
Sir, one the everywhere, but the associate say political parties no. One will say parties are established on a philosophy.
Yeah.
So they say common ideology. It's nipa ne woman nyina hye sa ideology no. Ase. And it's say ka say be a social democrat. So the socialist, you know, party for manina. You did your own to me and what you want to me the baby. But I said, Sir and Tiasiano, party many be every year free. So they cannot tell me. It's Yama Omancasa, the own parochial interest at the real party. Sir, 137, year quick. When you go to the side of NPP, when you go to the side of NDC, only you know me, I lining up certain factors that leading to that.
But you see, me they blame do not be my NPP.
Okay.
Make I say they
relaxed.
Yeah, almost relaxed here and a complete
sense set
in. Oh, you're mad. Oh, and this is good money out money idea. Oh, I'm going to see.
Now, we need that project.
That is it. We have the numbers. Now, almost lobby bar. Because look, even in the first place, Obi to me and not a proposal Obi from the position side say on also be contested. No, what is it for you?
2005.
2004 is here.
2004.
What you say? That is it. You propose here, but then they see into me and Yejuma.
Okay.
But at the moment, or proposal will be pen and say no, there is something wrong somewhere.
Or proposal will be one say not they have made issues clear. Pre-informed the Ghanaian or your good listener of issues across you know. Now most Ghanaians name say any day and size need to propose you.
Of course.
So I just say
yes.
Anna they were relying on the numbers on more.
And I'm just
because I wanted 7, I wanted 7. Nothing prevents me.
NPP show weak leadership.
Okay.
It's a fact.
Okay.
All my complete sense in the room will say, oh, for me na guy no. Oh yeah, then yeah, but but you see, trades back on area politics no, and to say you. First no, this time here, I'm buying more. He pop me.
And this time more.
This time no, about buying more.
Okay.
I intensify more.
Okay.
I'm buying more. And now they bring on more. What that so.
Okay.
Obi this speaker. former speaker in American.
Okay,
Aaron.
Aaron,
Okay. She say uti on one and crop from the Casemua. The man was a bit autocratic. What you say? The leadership style no. Do baby, I am man laissez faire no. And she na too much. O man democracy so, but I am man leadership you know. I ne firmness no stronger.
It's I can say oh yeah, firm.
That is it.
But yeah, you so autocratic.
Well, that is my choice of
I
what.
say autocratic here becomes a bit.
All right, marriage draw.
So,
but you see,
he was firm.
that is it. But time on call, we are told the hour. Never on my ancestors doing him. Me, omunya the same numbers. No, a lot of factors went into this election.
Okay.
NPP should not blame anybody. For all you know, no, only blame more people. Be omo kra na to about the mairo. Obi to say adjust for ni.
I know the how do you even call it?
Speculations.
You speculate, fine. Apart from that, no. Never say it's your own opinion.
Of course,
it's your opinion, and nobody will take that from you.
But it do baby no. Now your feedback ni nya kra ne say na area na kasa na compensation ko obebe biu. Na osan ko tenas no Germany.
But you know a lot of people take up leadership roles in government. Enye omo kasa from their own role. Party.
You see, from day one, NPP, omo primaries chance and I said they have a problem. Who say omo national leadership no impose. They were imposing.
But right now they are okay in the account. Some of their leading members in these groups, and then when you go to social media, you see.
Of course.
Oman Kasa right now they say they have a group called is it AFA? They have started a group
that is it. And so
talking for the grassroots. It's Oman Kasa they believe say their leadership neglected the grassroots.
Neglected.
They know.
And I feel say look, it is a good movement going forward as a country, and as your democracy being yakudu baby said. This time, we your party chairman. Shena will get a hand time below. Shena one man back.
I'm one man. Now, me a can let's not forget say young grassroots. Many of you know the fancy FM grassroots form. Yes, we have a role to play.
Oh yeah.
To make sure say we are respected. So what you say? Because yeah can say yeah you know once before can say MMDC is be omo aban that they know. And since aban we mu omo bem. Apart from that no omo can say how do we call it? Appointees be any of the ministers be omo lose of seat omo bem. Now some leaders, MMDCs and co will still come back and lobby to be voted for if only they are named, nominated. And these grassroots men will still go ahead and take money and vote for them.
And I can say,
so just say, they will still vote for them.
You see, yeah, constitution in a mass and and a Jimmy. One say, because on one banner, one say, and politics, a can't go on. Say a buying nominati,
say it's an investment now.
Yeah, a buying nominating DC the bar. It is the duty of the assembly to confirm some DC near the neighbor.
Okay.
She any pana elections, assembly elections, car bo and yasangeto. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, a car was soon because at the moment of post a coffin about 10 or maybe reasonable. And ya what can you know, then the deal to river. Oh, demand you.
Oh,
that is it. And also, what to assemble must be in chair.
Okay.
And to say, oh, you'll be a bar. Now, Obama no few. Oh, why not?
Okay.
I don't care about net personality. Say, do more betting. It's about my interest this time around.
Yeah, one of the mom with Jessica and say, yeah, the near to one who said, leaders no, why? No, I'm not taking my pay as a voter, but I never cry and I need 20 now. Only one on your shame, mammy.
That is it.
Oh,
20. And no, problem. You see, young structure your money. What pump, sick a dear, sick a Jenny, dear baby. Now, me, say, or say, Chamberlains are no, okay, you say, you know, and NBC members need to cheer and people to be out.
One said, I want your baby. But some of them, sir, me almost influence over years. It's my child, Homer, I go Ghana, so now by interest any and come.
Yanara assassini airport in my mojana na num shegu nyade tu ho my edumene woso so say be piatwa so nindian twa so kutu kraninya pesa men kuminga edi bremu da mama ya sase ho know what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I say, oh my full private jet. Oh my no, yes and I say, oh my full private jet.
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, wapu boniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende hi kati, many won't Male bahi kenyi fende baja minke bo. Wanya loko ninja la wapwe mike klobo. I promise on my own I'm both tire near me shona. Ling off mina sana, limboko na no shona.
Yamwaena Zumunchi Afiko mai Kowan kabila kapito Zahida kai Banda bambanci Mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma Zumunci Afiko mai Annan Muhammad wai ma Zumunci Afiko mai Iyayenmu wai ma Zumunci Afiko mai
Yakobe na yenhwe ensem ne sisi wo ho no say na wo hu no on the day
We don't want to say normal.
say na
Normal.
normal see betitia ballot boxes so yemu be bia fa ballot boot nsi obi betina obi akonya so obi tu no na obi abetina obi so normal
On the student and mofra nkete nyina hwa leave. Number one, a disgrace to our democracy.
Enti ho
And I make can say
ho na me person who say calmness nearby who say then e calmness nearby
calmness nearby near the government in power who say maestro nankasa ngolusu dada nti nyaka ede anu onim say nkofo no upper hand nti come on chale me mo membre ya wase what you say and no mo nominate you mo on propose your first deputy right and a second deputy so them say opposition no na also a proposal now you see honorable Esiama a politician by all standard lawyer Bijini Dipa because we hear the zeal or they call this election when I to look psychological stress are not fair moon and I do baby cocaine say he can't work on an independent candidate.
Yes.
John Boy do the secretary of the then ruling party but can say Oba they won't accept him.
Okay.
But you see me feel say or no decider. Emuna bem kra or say I will win and come back and pass we need back.
He's winning for the party.
That is it.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't care. And you see I blame say a man compromising a position of woman. Only he's a kingmaker.
Okay.
Let us know a man in joke with position of look make me catch her on Nessa Bidamiti is even more than a speaker. Isaac Esiama and a lawyer no wow a man in compromising the position of worker as independent look he's on to decide you on to decide so this time
say house near fool on decide
he decides
but house na near fool there
and then they are some and no because
but this already the parliamentarian no one call house or pa
message
ne so mo
do you know say there were times members of parliament and because of numbers in the doors until e move from school near
ebi mo ko
from school e for your courses near
ebi mo ko
that is it
but this time
me so do pa my traffic NB2 by 5 minutes there we say yes and now so this time no I believe say and I make say corruption now will work with that time now there is something like your Ghanaian time African time you can say bra meeting 7 also be call 9 what they try 9 so na wako because here omo ko to abe woni time a omo be NDC for omo do 8:30 what can say go bra 11 so do na abo be 8:30 omo say yes this is the importance of time montana here na mo can say be go 11 come on mo say we are say no Ghana be do no dangerous so this time I think say I'm happy one in terms of respecting our time two with administrative structure and a better job because this time na manhwe yi na onhwe nie na o ma na minister dodo na ntutu kwan anko ye bid ni ade
and na make us on behwe
na
say dey bia be dem wa
dangerous and I see as a president ntutu kwan na vice ntutu kwan so so another problem who becomes the acting president now of the land is the speaker The whole thing all. Nana obenya headache kakra. But me dey going forward no.
A year for
democracy. And this time say and then so be boa ma won aye adwuma ka say this time am hwe ni year me so ma mom modern pet na so dey say this time you say where me stronghold where me because this time who nipa bebre was stronghold so what hwe ase e election so you cannot take the electorate for granted this time around. Let us not joke with them.
All right. Ma ye twa hombra na fe ba ye mewi na ye hwe the way forward no ye mbra na ye mewi e wo ago Ghana so.
Yanara assassini airport in my mojana na num shegu nyade tu ho my edumene woso say e be piatwa so nindian twa so kutu kraninia pesa men kuminga edi yen bremu de mama ya sase hodo atise oh my no oh my no yes and I hose on my full private jet oh my no yes and I hose on my full private jet.
Yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a tiny. Bo, wapu boniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Male bahi kaya fende baja minkabo. Why you loco ninja la wapwe mi kekobo. I promise on my own I'm both kaya ni and shona. Ling off a mina sana, liboko na no shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchi Afiko May, Kowan Kabila Capito, Zahida Kai, Banda Bumbanchi, Mudena Zwalumchi, Ubangijing Allah Wayma, Jumanchi Afiko May, Anna Muhammad Wayma, Jumanchi Afiko May.
It's for Ago Ghana and paying Komo, you share the chaos, the consensus, and then the direction, the 8th Parliament, 4th Republic. Yeah, they are community in the team Edin Komo and a paya, Yedi Ababisi. Ye read Medina, Missa. Yami had much now the sign at the end. Kabadi woman say, every episode of media, a simple. But more de pa, no number that screen as no. Fa na yentim any and Komo. Afin so, who say, be as the other media so, be cost so if you immediately and if you move here. Number 0547 286939 0547 286939. WhatsApp SMS nothing soon. Course Nino. You bet me so. Eric, you crown or final words nothing.
Probably that's it. My final words say congratulations to the NDC and Alban, Sumana, Kensford, Bagman. Okay. Abonomodi. Because 7 consecutive time our parliament house now Kofi Sanedi. Not a hard because he's going with a lot of experience. Okay. It was just a U10 when you feel cry and I almost nominated as speak of but congratulations to all of them. The MPs they should work together for Ghana. This time you see who said MP gave one of my cast or drink Ghana. You'll be any political party or and but yen to say Ghana and I say we need you. The Cabonia Juma and then fashion in Puntu ever brainy in Chima.
All right. Ebusia as the PC and Coma production team now Obama ni Gina Karanechi boy and pass and Beka a pair on so bet me a boy pa or side a so mabna the beer and a team no one I can me a boy a chidom and another pay or go Ghana. So your friend Pakwisi the Manchinami Adumwa watch now to best show a go Ghana so na yedi komodia for my Ghana. Bye bye.
Yanara assassini airport in my mojana na num shegu nyade tu ho my edumene woso say e be piatwa so nindian twa so kutu kraninia pesa men kuminga edi yen bremu mama ya sase hodo atise. Oh my no, oh my no, yes and I hose, oh my full private jet. Oh my no, yes and I hose,
yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we make a time. Bo, wapu waniya hey, boni dane fe hey. Many me fende hi kati, many won't pay. Male bahi kenyi fende baja minke bo. Boye loko ninja la wapwe mi keklobo. I promise on my own I'm both kaya ni and shona. Ling off mina sana, liboko na no shona.
Yawaena Zumunci ya fi komai Kowane kabila ka fito za a yi da kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai Annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai